Swadee Krap Tukon, Namaste everyone, Sonu is here, and in this video we're gonna practice 3 sun salutation and the 3 moon salutation because our body need perfect energy, perfect balance. So this video can help you if you are working every day with your body and you cannot improve the flexibility. So this is the class that you can improve to make your body warm up and can give you more better benefit for your body and the mind balance together. So let's begin. So first we start the sun and moon salutation. We need to proper warm up. Yeah, let's begin together. Just 2 minute warm up can make you better work with your body, better work with your mind. Just try to arch a little bit, arch your back. This is a quick video for the peoples who has no time for practice sun salutation and the moon salutation. So you can improve flexibility, you can improve your health, you can do everything in your daily life with better benefit with our yoga. Okay, twist a little bit. Before we start, we just try to twist a little bit to make your body warm up. In 2 minutes is fine. Okay. Next quick warm up is swing to the side. หายใจเข้า หายใจออก หายใจเข้า หายใจออก Inhale up, exhale swing. Yes, we just try our best. Okay, so we're gonna do the sun salutation and moon salutation right now because our body is warm enough. And you can see when we do the sun and moon salutation, we need to stand in front of the mat. Keep breath normal, be awareness with your mind, be awareness with your body. Slowly inhale, open your hands to the side, palm facing up. With the mindfulness, raise your hands up. Palm together, interlock your thumb, elbows together. Slowly down. Keep breath normal. Be awareness with your hand, with your chest. Palm touching the chest. Inhale. Elbow together again. Raise your hands up. Arch your back. First round, maybe you cannot deep arch, but don't worry. Just try your best. Keep breath normal. Inhale. Exhale. Bend forward. Slowly bend forward. Okay, very good. Grab the ankle. Lengthen your spine. Inhale. Exhale. Head down. If you cannot touch your head to the legs, don't worry. We just try our best. Be a spring technique. You can use the spring technique. You can just try to stretch a little bit. Okay. Palm beside, bend your knees. Right leg, step back. Knee down, foot down. Fingertips on the floor, hip down and look up to the sky. Stretch maximum, keep breath normal. Inhale, exhale. Okay. Tuck the behind foot, step back to the Varvatasana, mountain pose. Keep engage your fingers pressing the down to the floor. Move your head up and down so you can make your shoulders flexible and hamstring flexible as well. Knee down, chest chin down, slowly. Very slow movement, don't drop your body down, slowly hip down, feet together. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana, because when we do the Bhujangasana, make sure your pelvic is on the floor. Look up to the sky, or you can close your eyes. Bend your elbows. Do not extend the elbows, otherwise we will pain in our back. So make your shoulders down, bend your elbows, stay here for a while. Try to make your feet together if possible. If not, then just try your best. Slowly down. Tuck the toes back to the Varvatasana. Mountain pose. Move your head up and down. Okay, right leg step forward. Fingertips on the floor. Behind leg down, foot down, hip down, look up. Stretch maximum. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly step forward. Grab the ankle. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend forward. Yeah, we can feel the hamstring. If you feel very tight hamstring, don't worry. Just try your best. You can use the spring technique. Inhale, palm together, head up, engage your palms together, interlock your thumb, elbow straight, slowly come up. Arch your back. Do not move the pelvic forward, keep your pelvic the same line. Arch your back, elbow straight. Okay, round number 2, bend forward, grab the ankle, Padahasta Asana. It's easy if you will repeat the asana name after me, so you can remember the asana name as well. Maintain the posture, Padahasta Asana, palm beside, Ashwasan Chalan Asana, right leg step back, Ashwasan Chalan Asana. Okay, Varvatasana, left leg step back, mountain pose, activate your fingers, move your head up and down, Varvatasana, Guru Namaskar, knee down, chest chin down, pelvic down, feet together, Cobra pose, Bhujangasana, slowly down, come up to the Parvatasana, mountain pose, lift your both heels up, right leg step forward, Ashwasan Chalan Asana. Try to stretch your body as much you feel comfortable. Don't need to force yourself. Padahastasana. Grab the ankle, head down. Feel the both hamstring stretching. Palm together, interlock your thumb, elbow straight. Slowly up. Ardha Chandra Asana. Half moon posture. Okay, round number 3. Good job, everyone. Padahastasana again. We just move our body with kindness. We don't need to force ourselves at all. How far you can go, don't worry. You just observe your body, and one day you can see your benefit. You can be flexible, you can be stronger, you can be healthy. This is a time we are doing for our body, for our mind. Okay, palm beside, right leg step back, Ashwasan Chalan Asana. Okay, tuck the behind foot, palms down and step back, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Move your head up and down, activate your fingers. Okay, knee down, chest chin down, Guru Namaskar Asana, slowly movement, slow move. Pelvic down, feet together, Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Slowly down, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Lift the both heels up, right leg step forward, Ashwasan Chalan Asana, knee down, fingertips on the floor, hip down and look up. Very good. Step forward, Padahasta Asana, grab the ankle, head down. If you cannot touch your leg and head together, you can use a spring technique, but don't force yourself and don't bend the knee. Knee straight, because we want to stretch the hamstring. So keep breathing. Inhale, head up, lengthen the spine, palm together, interlock your thumb, elbow straight, and slowly come up. Arch your back, Ardha Chandra Asana. Keep breath normal. Don't need to bend too much. It depends on your flexibility. Okay, elbows together, Namaskar Asana. This is, we have done 3 rounds sun salutation. Now we're gonna practice moon salutation 3 rounds. So be awareness with yourself, body and mind together. Breathe normal. Elbows together again. Raise your hands up. Palms open. Palm facing up like this. King Mat. Good job. Arch your back. Ardha. This is we call the Hasto Uttan Asana. Keep breath normal. Bend forward. Pada Hasta Asana. Palm beside. Yeah. Lengthen your spine. Inhale, head up, and then slowly head down. We just try to control our core muscles. Keep breath normal. Inhale. Bend your both knees and focus the left leg. Step back. Ashwasan Chalan Asana. Horse riding pose, but here with knee straight up. Horse riding pose. Yeah. Now Chandra Asana, knee down. Adjust the behind foot, tuck. Open your chest, open, palm facing down. Move your pelvic down. Yeah, and slowly bend forward to lift the moon energy up. Yes, like this. Arch your back. Keep breath normal. Stay here holding the moon pose, Chandra Asana. Very nice. Slowly down. Palms beside the feet and step back. Varvatasana. Move your head up and down if you can. Knee down, chest chin down. Guru Namaskar Asana. Slowly, with awareness. Okay, slide your hip down, feet together. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Slowly down. Tuck the toes. Back to the Parvatasana. Left leg, step forward. Ashwasanchalan Asana. Very good. Behind knee straight up. Because moon salutation is just a little bit different. Okay, knee down. Behind, adjust the behind foot. Open your chest. Inhale. Palm facing down. Bend forward. Lift your moon energy up. Holding the moon pose. Chandra Asana. Very good. Okay, slowly palm beside. Step forward. Pada Hasta Asana. Palm beside the feet on the floor. If you cannot, if you are a beginner, you can catch the ankle. Now this is an option for beginner. But we just try to keep the palms beside the feet on the floor. Inhale, head up, raise your hands up. Palm facing up, holding the moon pose. Yeah, we just try to move the pelvic back. No need to move the pelvic forward. Okay, round number 2, bend forward, Pada Hasta Asana. When we do the Pada Hasta Asana, you know already, palm beside the feet, extend your knees, bend forward. Feel the stretch on your hamstring, keep breathing and stay positive. Keep breathing all the time. Observe your body. Okay, focus on the left leg, bend both knees and left leg step back. Ashwasanchalan Asana, moon style. Keep breathe normal, stay here for a while, knee down. Adjust the behind foot, open your chest. Inhale, palm facing, palm on the floor. And bend forward slowly, lift your moon energy up. Chandra Asana. Keep breathe normal, stay here for a while. Okay, slowly down. Palm beside, step your right leg back. Varvatasana. Knee down, chest chin down. Guru Namaskar Asana. Hip down. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Slowly down. Back to the Parvatasana. Mountain pose. Be awareness with your body. Okay, slowly lift the both heels up. Left leg step forward. Ashwasanchalan Asana. Very nice. Behind knee will be extended. Knee down. Adjust the behind foot. Open your chest. Inhale. Palm facing down. Lift the energy from your hand to the up. From the front. Yes, moon energy, holding the moon pose. Chandra Asana. Keep breath normal. Very nice. Pada Hastasana, palm beside, step forward. Inhale, extend your elbows, extend your spine, bend forward. Raise your hands up. Hasto Uttan Asana. Keep breathe normal, stay here for a while. Focus on your breathing. Okay, round number 3. Pada Hastasana. Bend forward. Inhale. Extend your spine. Exhale, bend forward. Try to touch your head to the legs if you can. If cannot, no problem. Be happy. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Now bend your knees. Left leg step back. Ashwa Sanchalan Asana. Horse riding pose. This is a very important posture. We stay here for a while. You can see your burning calorie right now. Knee down. Adjust the behind foot. Open your chest. Pelvic down. Palm facing down. Keep breath normal and slowly bend forward. Raise your hands up, holding the moon on your hands. Shoulders down. And look up. Arch your back as much as you can, because this time your body is flexible. Okay, very good. Slowly, palms down. Step your right leg back. Varvatasana. Keep breathing normal. Move your head up and down. Make your flexible shoulder. Okay, knee down, chest chin down. Guru Namaskar Asana. Keep breathe normal. Slowly pelvic down. Cobra pose. Make sure your pelvic is on the floor. Slowly down. Okay, adjust mountain pose. Varvatasana. Lift the heels up. Left leg step forward. Ashwa Sanchalan Asana. Stay here for a while. Keep breathe normal. Very nice. Behind knee down. Adjust the behind foot. Open your chest. Inhale. Palm facing down. Bend forward. Raise your hands up. Keep breathe normal. Stay here. This is we call the Chandra Asana, holding the moon pose. We can keep breathing. Slowly. Pada Hastasana, step forward. Palms beside the feet, head down. Stay here for a while. Inhale, exhale. Raise your hands up. Arch your back. Keep breath normal. Palm together, elbows together, and Namaskar Asana, Namaskar Sthiti. Take a couple of breaths, elbows together again. Raise your hands up, inhale. Open your hands beside, palm turn down and back to the Samasthiti. Slowly keep breath normal and relax yourself. So sit comfortable first of all, and we need to work with our body and mind together. So that's we work with our body. So this is like a quick class to make your body and mind balance together. So I hope you enjoy this class, and you can do the Savasana, you can do Pranayama next. If you remember the Pranayama, yeah, you can do, or you can see my videos that we sharing the Pranayama techniques, Nadi Shodhan, preparation, Kapalabhati, because everything we need to work with our body and mind together to get more oxygen in the blood, in the body. So it has more benefits. So I hope you love this class, and if you will share this video with your friends, with your social media groups, I will be very appreciate for your support, and I will happy to see your comment. If you practice with me, please feel free to let me know by comment. I will be very happy to see and be connecting together, and happy day. Every day is a happy day. So if you have any question, do not shy to ask. Please ask, and I will be support you with your answers. So see you soon in my next video, and have a good day. Namaste everyone.